video I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious eggless mug cake with a secret gooey centre, and it cooks in under 90 seconds. All you need is a mug, a microwave and a handful of ingredients that most of us have got kicking around our cupboards, especially at Easter time. When your kids say, "Is there anything for pudding?" then this recipe is ideal. Or just make it for yourself when the children are finally asleep. All the ingredients are in the description down below, so here's how you do it. Start by choosing your favourite mug and then add your sieved flour. Now the sugar can join the party. I'm using granulated white sugar, but you can use caster sugar or brown sugar. Now add the baking powder, followed by a pinch of salt. And that's it for the dry ingredients, so give them a good stir all together. And now it's time for the wet ingredients. Firstly, pour in your milk. I'm just using cow's milk, but you can use whatever milk you prefer. Now add the oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you could always use melted coconut oil or even melted butter. And finally add the vanilla extract. This gives the sponge a delicious flavour. Just don't add too much of it, otherwise it will taste all soapy. Mix this all together. I'm just using a fork, but you could use a mini whisk or even just half of a hand blender, as long as it's lump free and as smooth as you can possibly get it. There we go, that's just about right. Hold on to your Easter bonnets, here's the exciting bit. I'm going to use a Cadburys caramel egg as my secret centre, all gooey and caramelly when it gets hot. You can experiment with your favourite type of chocolate egg, but obviously if you do have an egg allergy or you're making it for someone with an egg allergy, always check the labels. Cadbury's cream eggs, for example, contain egg white powder, so just be careful there. Alternatively, just use some of your favourite allergy-free chocolate instead. Pop it in and cover it all up with the batter. It will be just as delicious. Now it's time to simply cook it in the microwave. We're going to cook it first of all for 30 seconds. Now, your microwave and the size of your cup really could make a difference here. So after 30 seconds, make sure you check it. It's not going to be quite cooked at this stage, but make sure it hasn't exploded everywhere. So as you can see, it's started to rise, but it's not quite cooked yet. So pop it back in and we're going to go with another 30 seconds. Make sure you watch it through the window. I'd hate it to explode all in your microwave. And finally, a last 30-second blast, and then the cake will be ready. And be careful, it's going to be hot in the middle. Look at that spongy, deliciously light cake. I'm adding some ice cream. You can add creme fraiche, icing sugar, custard, whatever you prefer. And let's have a look in the centre. Oh, look at that, oozing with caramel and chocolate. I can't wait to try it. And you should too. Delicious. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll be making lots more delicious eggless recipes for you to watch. Give this recipe a try, it's so quick and easy and so tasty. And if you want to watch more of these eggless videos, there's some more right here, right now.